Do you want to ratchet on it, or do you want to just tie a knot? Let it come back to me. You what? Let it come back to me. Yeah. Right. Looking it on subframe, so keep tension on that. Right, how do you want to do this?
Just put a light strap on. Hey up. Just getting on with the wings. They're coming along fine. Just a low process. I've had to make some of the. Where am I? I'm going to show you. The headlight rings. Trial run, no. I've tried to take that off of a piece I got off, but it didn't work. So that is, yeah, that's fine. I've made this. You know how you get a compasses to do your circles at school, or whenever you want them? I've made this with the marks on, 3 1/4 and 4 1/4, and a centre punch hole line. Then I fitted it to this hole, and it produced this. Now what I've got to do, I can't cut it out of the old piece, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it out first the inside, and then I'm going to have a go at the outside and take me real slow. That should be what I need. 3 1/4 from its centre, which makes it 6 1/2 diameter in centre, and 8 1/2 on the outside, which is 2 4 1/4. And then your headlamp bowl fits into that and screws into that. Well, then you've got your lights. It's all good stuff. It takes ages, this does. Patching. I've got to do all these, look, with thingy bar, fill them all in and flatten them out. That's what takes your time. So, we'll see you in a bit. Here we are, I'm doing the second one. This is easy as this one. And the 3 3/4, I've cut the hole. So, it does that lot. I'll do it again because it seems that the Sharpie doesn't want to play ball. Right, we'll go the 4th one, the bigger one. Well, Sharpie don't want to play ball. But you've got the idea that it's like a clock. That is better than your compass because it makes perfect rings. And once you've drilled it, you've got that for others and all, because they're all pretty much the same size. So that'll go on shelf until we need it again. Right. See you in a bit. Well, as you can see, we're getting on with the wing. There's loads to do. Someone says this got more rivets and Bonnie and Clyde's car got bullet holes. But I'm attempting to save it. It should work alright. I should get there. It's just patience, isn't it? So, yeah. Right, here's one thing today that's happened. we've got the old axle, the hog's head. That's getting ready to, well, that's getting ready to be put back on car. Springs have got the wire brushed and painted. It's going to be, yeah, zinc primered. That's zinc primer. And then it's going to be, when it's on car, it's going to be rapted all around in its thingies and everything. So it should last a few years. See, anybody who wants to buy it at the end of this, come and see me. I'm really approachable, but you've got to get your pennies ready. I'll have a beautiful classic when it's done. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Hey up. Right, I've put these on a board, screwed it down to a board. These are the circles that the headlamps fit into. Now you see I've left 4 tabs on each because I don't know how I'm going to hold them in, because the originals fit over the wing, if you know what I mean. So, or they're already incorporated in the wing. So I've just cut the slits out with the thingy. I've already cut the centres out with the jigsaw. Not bad. I shall have to get the finger file inside and take some sharp edges off. So now I'm going to go around these 4 pieces to each, and then we should be golden. So we'll see in a bit. Here we are, a bit more done today. I've cut them to headlight backs out. They're ready for trimming down, sanding down, you know, getting bearing off and going to a bit off in some places. But then again, a jigsaw blade don't run through where you want it to. It sometimes veers off, so you have to back up and get onto it. So yeah, and a few more holes filled in, them cut out, which cutting them out takes 2 hours. Then that piece, a few holes filled in, they want grinding down. So by the time I finish, this is going to be one big grind-a-thon on here. I'm pleased how that's come out. Nice ground flat and it'll be right. Yeah, it's 7:30 at Sunday night now, so I'm ragging in, I'm going on. Well, I'm going in house. And I think it's time for a Guinness or something. You know what I mean? Yeah. Right, next time you'll see me, it'll be in a few seconds, so see you in a bit. There we are then. As you can see, we've got first coat of primer on. So it's when the filling starts and the tank's got to go back in. Not like that flexi brake pipe. I think I've ordered 3. They're alright. The spring hangers are alright. I've got to get up inside there and get that some, yeah, give it some thingy. Yeah. That sill's in the thingy in that floor is in the process of being remanufactured. That's quite an extensive lot of welding, but it's coming on now. So yeah, quite good actually. Pleased with the progress. So of course the wing is another thing. Of course this is it. This is the culprit that we go in there with it. It's just a matter of getting that shape and then sealing it all, which it takes a long process. Wings. Did I tell you I ate wings? They're alright when they're on the car to work to, you know, just something to hold them still. But when you're trying to do it thingy, oh, it's terrible. Anyway, we'll see you in a bit.